Lalo naman ang nagpapakita.
Let's put up the packages yesterday.
Na-attract sa picture sa isang lalaki. Adam's apple. Adam's apple. Anita, ano meron sa Adam's apple?
Sherry, matagal siya.
Tignan mo kung ano ang Adam's apple. Ano ang meron
So,
ang
ano ba ito sa dami?
tapos pag lumulun ko, ano naman ito ang Adam's apple.
The water? This is Stacy.
Ito, napalunok tuloy ito. Ayun,
That,
parang guwapo. Ito, look. Gusto mo ba Pinoy? Mestizo?
Aya,
May pagka-bad boy cookie? Boy next door?
the cherry on top, official group of the music video. I saw that in the music video in the end.
Pinoy looking!
This is the back cover.
Sinabi mong Pinoy looking.
Ako, paano mo?
Boys, they're too yapping.
Ganyan pati yan. Yan ang guwapo. Ikaw, Rob.
This is the Lordy. I think this is the...
Marian Rivera. Gusto mo yung mag-asawa. Okay? Ikaw naman, Rhea, pag sinabing guwapo
I
sa
don't
mga
think
artista,
so.
sino ka guwapo? May papost. Ganyan din. Okay. Kaya nakilala na natin ang
What's that? It's picture of tattoo, but it's not from me on.
tinatanong na hinanda.
So, I'm gonna complete the
Puntos,
test now.
nalang tayo sa pag-buzzer, may 5 seconds
So,
tayo
this
para
is-
sumagot. Kapag lumagpas, may
This is,
chance ang
I think
kalaban
this is
na
Stacy.
mag-skip. At meron din tayong mga
Hello.
celebrities na may mataas na point. Kaya para sa mga namumulala, don't lose hope dahil pwede silang humabol. Kapag naubos na ang mga tanong, ang pinakamalaki score, ang itatanghal natin ang open
I think it's Ian. So,
Don't worry dahil may consolation prize
there's
ka.
full of Coca-Cola, but they only just
Okay?
made a mistake.
Nakalasagot kamay sa inyong mga maliliit na derwang taas noo ang
There's Coca-Cola cherry on top.
It's important you congratulate someone that you are not mentally right.
So, this is the lot.
You need to move differently.
20.
Orthodox. But when it clicks,
I think it's Ian.
it's results saying that when it is going well, regret
The one.
so
They just called the Jolly Baby now.
there is a power that comes
Yes.
from finding
The
your own style.
Mama, Stacy, Tina, Debbie,